Okay, so I am being creative and making some tortillas. I've used these before, but I was looking to see if it was something that I could do that would have been approved like on this rapid challenge meal plan. So we have here that they allow us to have quinoa flour, and carbs are 23, protein is 4, fat is 2, and the serving is a 1/4 cup. Calories are 132. On the oat flour, it has the same protein content. It has this 2 less grams of carbs. It has the same fat grams, and it's actually 12 calories less, and it's the same serving per cup. So what I do to make my oat flour tortillas is I put my measuring cup on my scale, and I do 2 ounces per serving, because 2 ounces is the same as a 1/4 cup. And then for every 2 ounces, I do 1 egg white. And then so I multiply that recipe by 4 because I wanted to make 4 servings today. 4 carb servings. And I added water until, where did my fork go? So you just add water until the consistency is thinner than like pancake. As this mixture will sit, it kind of thickens up a little bit, so you can add a little bit of water as needed. And then I actually ended up adding in, so I have some water sitting here just in case I need it. I wanted to see what this is going to taste like. Excuse my nails. Some Mrs. Dash spicy jalapeno seasoning, and then some pink Himalayan salt. So how I make these, put that there, is I just go ahead and use my griddle. This is really old, but it still works, so I'm still using it. I have it on like 200 right now. And then I will just pour a little like that. Then I will grab the spoon and I will even it out and make it like tortilla shaped. And then I will keep going. I'll try to do like 2 to 3 at a time. And you can make them as thick or thin as you want. And then when I'm done making try my best to make them like the same size. And then what I do is however many I make, I just divide it by 4, since it was the number of ounces for 4 carb servings. So that's kind of what I do here. So you sit and wait. And they kind of look like pancakes a little bit. And so they don't take very long. After a while, after about a minute or so, they easily will come up. And they won't stick. And you just flip them over. It'll kind of lift up on the edges on its own. And so then I put these going here, let these crisp up and cook on the other side. And then I will just continue to make more until my batter is all gone. My spoon. I'm doing this with one hand, so sorry. This one's going to be a little bit bigger than this one, but that's okay. So sometimes if I end up with like a teeny tiny tortilla and some bigger ones, then I will just take like 2 big ones and a little one and call that my 2 ounce servings. So I let these. So this works out easier like on this big griddle because you can do more at a time as opposed to getting one small pan and doing one at a time. this saves me some time. And so typically I get about 4 tortillas per meal. So I end up having like street tacos. So since I used 1 egg white, which counts like a 1 ounce of protein, then I will do 3 ounces of eggs or 3 ounces of turkey and spread that amongst the 4 tortillas. I'll chop up some spinach to make it look like lettuce, and I'll fill them up and load them up with the spinach. And then I'll take 2 tablespoons of salsa and spread that 2 tablespoons over my tacos. So then I have a portioned out protein, carb, and rich veggie. And that's it.